Hello everyone, welcome to this video. For each of the parcel that you are sending to Amazon, a unique package labels needs to be attached on each of the parcel. If you are doing non-partnered carrier, if you are using non-partner carrier, then after submitting the carton content information on Amazon, user can directly download the label option from the screen. But if you are using Amazon partner carrier, then you must need to complete the process of estimating transportation fees, confirming the request, and only after that you can download the labels. Here in this system, this connector supports two kinds of labels. The first is the unique labels, which is applicable for both partner as well as non-partner, and for both types, that is small parcel as well as LTL. But if you are sending LTL, then system also supports pallet labels as well for both partner as well as non-partnered carrier. So here in this screen, once you have completed the necessary previous actions, in your screen a button will be visible to get unique package label. Once you click here, system will import the unique package labels from Amazon. Package label will be this kind of label that can be imported in Odoo, and you can directly download it from your Odoo screen. Now if you are doing LTL, then system also allow you to import and download bill of lading for your LTL parcel. So this was all about downloading labels. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much.